Simple boom lift operation. Turn the key to start the platform. Press the levers one by one to lower all outriggers. Operate the ground controls. Raise the main boom. Raise the main boom, second stage. Rotate clockwise. Rotate counterclockwise. Lower the main boom, second stage. Lower the main boom. Use the platform controls. Activate the upper controls. Operate drive. Drive forward. Drive backward. Connect. Turn right.